Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink Epic Games from Social Club. So once you have logged in on the Social Club website, click on your account icon to the right and then select Support. Select the option that says Social Club and then select Social Club Account. Here you pick the third option called Account Linking. Once you click on it, you're going to have to write a ticket. But don't worry, I'm going to show you what you need to include in your ticket. But before we do that, we need to copy our Epic Games ID. So once you're in the Epic Games website or launcher, hover over your account and then click on Account. You'll find your Epic Games ID right below Account Information. Copy the numbers and then head back to the Social Club website. In the ticket, you're going to write down your Social Club's nickname, and in the description, you're going to include the following text. I would like to request my Social Club account to be unlinked from my Epic Games account. Then you're going to include your Social Club account's name and then your Epic Games ID, which you should paste right here. You can obviously edit this description in any way you want to, but this should also work out for you. Once you submit your ticket, keep in mind that they will reach you back in at least a week, so make sure to keep an eye out on your email from time to time. But other than that, that's how you unlink Epic Games from Social Club. I hope this was helpful to anyone looking to unlink your account, and thank you for watching.